Alright, so here we are in Pictory. Alright, so we're in the main project screen where we're going to select which type of project we want to do. We have our usual suspects, which is script to video, article to video, edit videos using text, and visuals to video. We're just going to go ahead and use the one here for script to video. Remember, this particular tutorial is on how to use text to speech in Pictory. So we're going to go ahead and proceed, and we're going to put in a script. I'm just going to call this test 1, and then I'm going to go ahead and drop in my script that I put out here. So here's my script. I'm going to break it up by line so it is kind of more manageable. So when you're doing Pictory, what you want to do is break up your script by line, because you're going to create individual scenes for each one of these script lines. Alright, think of it as you know, you're an actor and you want to, each scene has its own script attached to it, and so you want to make sure that breaks up and makes sense. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm just going to go through this rather quickly and break this up here. And then as you're doing this, you're going to be able to kind of make adjustments to it. And what I would do is, this is a very important thing, is I would, once you create this script here, I'm going to keep on going. I'm going to get this here. I'm going to pop this down here. And then I'm going to go ahead here, do that. Okay. We're going to keep on going a little bit more. I'm going to break this up here. Okay. This looks pretty good for me as far as the script. This is basically to post on Facebook page for effective follower growth. Follow these steps. And it basically breaks down and it goes through these steps. So I could do some more massaging with this script, but this is not the main point of this tutorial. This main point of the tutorial is to look at how do you do text to speech in Pictory. Now I'm going to show you that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on proceed, and I'm just going to select the first one, and we're going to go ahead and click continue. And right now it's going to generate the scenes for the script that I just put into that area there for the script. And then as it generates this, it's going to find the best media that matches that particular script. And then now we're done. Okay, so here you can see that the script is to post on Facebook page for effective follower growth. Follow these steps. And this is kind of like a Facebook type thing that comes up. And so each one has its own unique video that's attached to it, and we can massage it as we go along. But we're going to go into the audio part here on the left hand side. I just clicked on audio, and then what we're going to do is we're going to click on voiceover. Now as you look here, we can choose between different voiceovers, and you can select which region. Okay, we're just going to basically go US English for now, and then so it's just going to be all US English. It's going to show up, and we're going to say we want male. So then it gives us the choices here. Now these are the pre-built in text-to-speech voiceover voices that we're going to be looking at. And you can see here it has speed as far as how fast you want this to be read. We're just going to go at normal speed. Alright, we're not going to slow it down or speed it up. Okay, we're just going to keep it at normal. And we're going to choose Matthew as the voice. And as you can see, we're on the first scene right here. See scene 1. We're on scene 1. And so we're going to go ahead and click on apply. Okay, so that particular voice, Matthew male, was applied to the voices. And so what we can do now is we can go and click on here, and then we can play that and preview it as far as how it sounds. So it's going to preview that, and then after it's done building out, so as you can see, if you could hear that, it's probably a little faint, but it basically gave and read that particular line, okay, for the scene 1 for the script. And if I go to scene 2 and I hit preview, it will build it out, attach the AI voiceover. Okay, so each one goes out, and then if I was to click on preview, it would build out the whole thing, and then we could actually listen to it. And I will turn up the volume here so you can hear more of that. And then as it builds out, we're going to take a listen to it. And so that's how easy it is to add the text to speech using the built-in Pictory voices. So let's take a listen right now. It's almost done. Getting there.
To post on a Facebook page for effective follower growth, follow these steps. Identify your target audience before you start posting on your Facebook page. It's important to know who you are trying to reach. Think about the age, interests, and location of your ideal followers. This will help you create content that resonates with them and attracts them to your page. Plan your content. Consider the types of posts that will be most engaging for your target audience. This could include informative articles, interesting photos, or engaging videos. Make sure to mix up.
Okay, so that sounded pretty good. That AI voice sounded pretty good, just to tell the truth. And so that is using the AI voice inside of Pictory. Now, there's another thing that you can do, and I'm going to hop over to that in a minute. But remember what I said before is that you want to copy your script down, right? That is that you put in there before you go into Pictory and choose a scene, because you may want to use that script in another program. Now there are another number of programs that you can use for that, all right, that do text to speech, and you can basically take that script that you created in Pictory and put that into another text to speech. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to generate this video. Now I'm going to show you something. If I don't click generate, all right, if I don't click generate and I click on my projects, click into this test project right here, as you can see, it has the project file, and you look for video, it says no video generated yet, and then you see here text, it says no text generated yet. So if I wanted to pull that script out at this particular point in time, I would not be able to. I would have to generate the video, all right, create the full MP4, and then the video will be populated here, and then the text for that video will be populated in this area here. And then I could take that, download it, and then put that into my text-to-speech software. And in the next type of video that I do along this line here, I will show you how to take a voiceover that reads the script and then import that into Pictory and sync that with the script that you put in. All right, and Pictory does that for you automatically. But if you're just going to use the Pictory AI voices, this is how you do it. It's pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please like the video below. Subscribe to this channel for more content when it comes available. And I really enjoyed sharing this with you today. All right, you guys take care. Bye.